make no special effort to see any movies. I make no special effort to see any Bangla movie, which anyway I don't get to see except on Bengali channels. And unfortunately, I find the Telugu language little too difficult because I grew up in Delhi and the culture of Telugu. I understand the caste combinations of this land and the society this place, but the language I have not been able to master. So though I have stayed here for 9 years, I have probably not even seen one movie. So that is the background. Still, if you want to hear something from me, it's okay. I think all India as a country is a very segmented regional country. Every state is a country by itself. And therefore, to expect that a Bangla movie will be watched in Hyderabad by Telugus or vice versa is asking for the moon. Only a certain section of people might want to see. They are the film buffs, and for them, subtitles are good enough. And I think they would want to see, however, since the market for Bangla movies here in Hyderabad or even in Delhi will be very limited. So the chances of there being screened in local movie halls is virtually very, very little. And our friend said that even North Bengali finds very difficult to go up to. So that means that how the spread of Bengal, there is a saying in economics, there is a law said called Say's law. It says supply creates its own demand. But in this case, the supply can't create its own demand for the simple reason the supply is not here. The film is being made in Calcutta. If the supply is here, that is, the movie is screened here, then it will get a lot of audience. But the movie is not screened here. The movie is not screened here because the guy who distributes the movie doesn't think there is a good enough market here. So it's all dictated by the market. And this is for this reason that Bollywood dominates everywhere, not only in India. I went to Pakistan and saw 2 Hindi movies. So the market size of Bollywood is huge. And that is why they are able to produce such large movies and go everywhere because the market is large. So if Bangla movie has to have a huge market, it has to teach people Bangla, which is not possible. And today people do not see movie for their scholastic. There's not a Satyajit Ray that his name is above the movie, so just because of his name, people will go to see the movie. That sort of names are not there. And Tollywood, when you say Tollywood these days, people think of Tollywood here, not Tollywood there. So that I think is the reason, and that is why regional movies are limited, whether it is Marathi. Is there any Gujarati movie, Gujarati film industry, have you heard of it? Gujarat is subsumed in Bombay. So everybody, I think everybody wants to go to Bombay and make a living there and get sucked into Bollywood. So the rest of them, Collywood, Mollywood, Tollywood, everything is suffering, except for Tollywood. I think Tollywood here, because the number of movies they produce is huge, and this industry is very closely linked with the politics also. The Tamil and Telugu movies are very intrinsically linked with politics, and it's created a larger than life image, and that may be one reason why it's prospering. But if you go to Bangalore, sorry, there is no movie there. So this Kannadiga movie industry virtually doesn't exist at all. So it's a complex situation. But to come to the point in one line, an ordinary person like me will want to see a Bengali movie, but will not go out of the way to see it. If it is shown to him,